Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by collecting evidence from every device you use. This is faster than guessing. Open browser settings and view saved passwords and autofill entries because many Gmail addresses hide there. Next, check phone and tablet account settings. Make sure to look under Accounts or Users. Once done, inspect apps and mail clients that list configured addresses. They often show full emails. These first actions give you a reliable list to expand, and they explain why later checks are targeted and efficient. Now you dig into backups and link services to uncover any remaining Gmail addresses. Sign into Google Account Recovery with a primary email and view connected apps and devices. This surfaces secondary addresses. Then search old email archives, phone and cloud backups, and contacts for recurring addresses. Also inspect password managers, browser profiles, and shared family or work account lists. These often store aliases. Once done, reconcile duplicates and note which addresses need verification. This middle stage narrows your candidates. Finally, verify ownership and tidy up. Try signing in or using account recovery to confirm each address. Make sure to update your password manager with verified ones. Close or label obsolete accounts so you don't confuse them later. If a sign-in fails, use device activity logs and Google security prompts to identify the account owner and ask family or coworkers if accounts were shared. If things go wrong, pause, gather screenshots, and retry recovery. This troubleshooting tip will save time and avoid lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.